it's Chrystal Haynes. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I got the chance to speak to the owner of Wherehouse Fabric, which is a fabric store here in Dallas, Texas on Perth Street. It's where I get all of my vinyl and my materials for making my actual bags. I spoke with Victor Plump and he talks about the store, what he has to offer, and different kind of vinyls and materials that you can use to make your bags. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the interview.
My name is Victor Plump, part owner of Wherehouse Fabric's home, located in Dallas, Texas.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about Fabric Warehouse.
Wow, Wherehouse Fabrics actually has been around for over 20 plus years. This store, Wherehouse Fabric's home, have been in business now for around about 7 to 8 years. One of the great things about this store is that we strive and do our very best to bring great quality and giving it to you at a great price. So we got great vinyls, we got great upholstery fabric, great drapery fabric, a little bit of everything actually.
So tell me about the services that you guys offer.
Well, man, wow, we offer everything. We do reupholstery, we do custom furniture, we do custom purses now, we do custom bags. We do drapery, we do rugs. There's just so much that we do on a business level, but as far as fabric-wise, we carry every type of fabric. We have vinyl, we have different types of vinyl. We have marine vinyl, we have budget vinyl for people who want a budget. We carry designer vinyl. We have animal print vinyls. It just really goes on and on. We try to carry as much as possible because we believe that when you have a variety of things, you're kind of reaching out to more than just one customer.
That's great. So do you have an online presence at all, a website, social media?
Yes, we're on social media. Our handle on Facebook is Wherehouse Fabrics and Wherehouse Fabrics Home. You can just search us in that, and then also, and actually that's spelled W-H-E-R-E, Wherehouse Fabrics. If you type in W-A-R-E, then no, you're not gonna find us. But it's W-H-E-R-E, that's gonna be on Facebook, that's gonna be on Instagram as well. Right now we are reconstructing our website. We're choosing a different platform so we can put more merchandise online so we can continue to sell great material nationally.
I know you offer sewing classes as well. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Okay, so our sewing classes is not so much something that we offer personally. I lease a portion of my building to Mr. Sewing Machine. And Mr. Sewing Machine, they have sewing classes that they offer on a variety of different things, from upholstery to apparel. They do a little bit of everything. You want to know about quilting, they do that. The beginning of embroidering to the advanced levels of embroidery, they offer that. And I tell you, the price is great and you learn so much when you come out of a class. And I tell you, one of the gifts that I believe that every person could have or should have is the gift of sewing. And so it's one way to go in and actually discover that gift and actually make it known.
Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below to see more videos like this, as well as other videos on simple sewing projects. Thanks again and have a good day.